Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Umesh Prajapati and today I am gonna show you how to give the internet access for a specific user in FortiGate firewall. Suppose in your company there is one user who needs internet access. So how will you provide the internet access in FortiGate firewall? In my scenario, there is one user, HR user, right? This user. Let me show you the screen. See, in my scenario, there is one user, HR user. He needs internet access, right? So, how will you provide the internet access in FortiGate firewall? So, first of all, I will show you that this user is not able to access internet access, right? So, I am going to take console of this user, right? So, I am going to open browser, right? So, google.com. As you can see that this user is not able to access internet, right? So how will you create the policy in FortiGate firewall? Let me show you, right? So first of all, I will tell you that there is a two VLAN I have created, right? VLAN 100 for production department, right? And VLAN 200 for HR department, right? So now I am going to configure policy in FortiGate firewall, right? So I am going to log in this in FortiGate firewall. Username admin, password 123. Remind me later. So first of all, I will show you the whatever interface IP address I have assigned on the interface, right? So let me show you the interface. As you can see that port 1 and port 2, right? Port 1 for WAN access, right? Internet connectivity. I have created one interface for internet connectivity and for port 2 for LAN user. As you can see that there is two SBI interface for HR department and for production department, right? I have created two VLAN, VLAN 100, VLAN 200, and this IP address, I mean 10.16.2.1 and 10.16.2.1, sorry, 10.16.1.1 will be gateway for a LAN user, right? So for now, I am going to create a policy, right? So I'm going to create a policy in IPv4. As you can see that there is a two policy is configured in this firewall. So I'm going to create a policy for internet access for HR department, right? First of all, you have to give the name of policy HR internet access. I have given the policy name HR internet access. Incoming interface will be SBI interface, right? This is the SBI interface, and outgoing interface will be one interface which is connected to internet, right? And the source interface, source address will be uh, 10.16.2.2. I have created for only one user who can access the internet, right? As you can see that 10.16.2.2/30, right? And destination address will be all because this user is going to access internet, right? And scheduled will be always, and services I am going to provide HTTP, HTTPS, and DNS service, right? And action will be accept, right? And net will be enabled because this user is going to access internet, right? So I'm going to click OK. Just wait a minute. As you can see that this policy has been created, and I'm going to check whether HR department, HR user is able to access internet or not, right? So let me share the screen. HR users PC, right? So I am going to type google.com. See, this user is able to access internet. I am typing also gmail.com, right? Gmail.com. See, this user is able to access internet connectivity, right? So just wait a minute. If this user, if this user, if this user is wants to communicate internet, right? So it will not be able to access because this policy has not been created in FortiGate firewall. So let me show you that. Wait a minute. In 8.8.8.8. As you can see that this user is not able, I mean production department is not able to access internet, right? So I am going to type continuously, right? So we will verify this one, right? So let me create the one policy. So I am going to create one policy for a production department, right? So production department PRD internet. I have given the policy name PRD internet, right? Incoming interface will be production department, and outgoing interface will be WAN interface, right? Which is port 1, and source I'm going to provide for now all, and destination is also going to be all, and services I'm going to provide all. But in your case, you can provide whatever address you want to provide, right? IP address you want to provide, and net will be on because this user is also going to access internet, right? I'm going to click OK. Let me show you the screen. As you can see that before this user was not able to access internet, but for now this user is able to also access the internet. So whatever policy I have created, let me recall that one, right? Here is a lab diagram. As you can see that I have given the policy name. First of all, you have to create policy name. Like you can create policy name as your requirement, right? I have created here HR internet access. Then you have to define incoming interface, right? Then outgoing interface. In my scenario, incoming interface is HR department, and outgoing interface is a WAN interface, and source IP address 10.16.2.2. I have provided internet for only one user, right? And destination address will be all because this user is going to access internet, and scheduled will be always, and services I have provided only HTTP, HTTPS and DNS for HR user, right? And action will be allowed, and net will be also allowed because this user is going to access internet. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so that I can improve my technical skills. So thank you for watching this video.